Yeah, we are back. We got a 10-minute full body workout. What's up, my fitness family? Brent Kasmer here with BKPT. You gotta do, right? You gotta subscribe, baby. You gotta subscribe to my channel. You gotta also hit that notification bell to get notified as all my new content is dropped. So I know you guys are looking for good stuff, information on how to get the best and most out of all the things that you do, right? Some pro tips, just kind of give you some advice. And I've saved this for the end for all my loyal people that stay to the end of the videos. We got the pro tips. All right, so thanks for subscribing. Thank you for hitting that notification bell. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this, and I'm gonna go ahead, let's get this workout in. So 5 exercises. We're gonna go step ups, right to box hops, right to plyometric push-ups, right to pull-ups, and also clean and jerks with the dumbbells. We're gonna do a single arm per time. So we're gonna go through this. It typically get through it about maybe 3 to 5 times, depending on how fast you're going through it. But like I tell you, you want to make sure you're always keeping good technique, good form. You get sloppy, you get hurt. So, make sure you are really kind of always right there mentally with all the things that you do. So here we go. Let's party, baby. All right. So foot's on there. Boom. We're going to hop up. We're going to do 10 per leg. All right, that's 10 box hops. All right, 10 plyometric push-ups. Here we go. All right to our pull-ups. Right to our single arm clean and jerks. All right. That's up. All right, round 1, here we go, round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. push-up. Switch arms. High five. High five. All right, we survived 10-minute full body workout. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to mash that notification bell where you're notified as all the new content is dropped, man. Hopefully you guys really put this one to work. Go in there, knock it out. It's a good metabolic burner. Great way to go spend 10 minutes. Here's some pro tips, just kind of give you some advice. And you know, I've saved this for the end for all my loyal people that stay to the end of the videos. We got the pro tips. So for your step ups, alt step ups, you want to really make sure your heel is on the box. If you feel like you can't jump and alternate and get good positioning, then just go a little slower. Because you can always pick up the pace once you get really good at it. You want to make sure you're driving through the heel of your foot initially, all the way up into that toe. That way when you come, you're driving through the heel, building that muscle in your quads when you're doing your step ups. And also make sure you keep your head up, get a good focus point on the wall, ceiling, something out in front of you. That way you're never like looking down, your back's all hunched over, you don't want any of that stuff. It's just poor posture. The box isn't going anywhere. Start to build that brain-body connection, knowing where everything is, keeping that head up, spine aligned, all right? For the box hops, jump, land softly, land as soft as you can on the box. So you help to kind of absorb that shock, really try to focus on not being able to even hear yourself land. You'll be mind blown actually when you stop and think about it, and when you do it, you're like, oh man, I hear what he's saying. Because a lot of times when I'm working with clients, they sound like they're gonna bash that box straight through the floor. So obviously it's not what you want. You're not going for a massive impact. So you wanna land softly, get a good extension of your legs. Also when you're hopping down, land softly, absorb it, and then boom, shoot right back up into that box hop, okay? So same thing, keeping that head up, keeping that spine nice and tall, pushing through your hips, all right? Plyometric push-ups, same thing. If you're not there yet, you can't go into a plyometric push-ups, the clap, just push up, tap your arm, tap your shoulder, push up, tap your shoulder, kind of go through those motions. Same thing though, just with when you're doing your legs, you land softly, so you're absorbing it. You're not sticking that landing, making your elbows and shoulders and wrists endure that, obviously that shock. So make sure you're absorbing all of those motions, all right? Pull-ups, tight grip. Don't hang like a hook grip. Got higher chance of injury, triggering into that, AKA tennis elbow tendonitis. and your elbow. So get a good solid grip, you know, good pull-ups, and only go as far as your body allows. So don't force anything so that way you're pulling into your shoulders, okay? And then lastly, with clean and jerk, make sure you're flipping it up, good control, and then using your legs to help drive that dumbbell up into the air with a good lock at the top for 1 split second before bringing it down all the way to the ground, all right? Same thing with that one, keeping that head up. You don't want to be looking down every time to pull it into your lower back before you know it, you're injured, all right? So there's all the pro tips. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the workout. Can't wait to hear when you put it in place, how high your heart rate goes. Subscribe, smash the notification bell, share the content with friends, family, any way you feel would enjoy it. Give me some love, show me some likes, and I'll see you in the next video.